In this video, you'll learn how to create the perfect title, thumbnail and tags for your video. How to create a video title. Go to ChatGPT and type, I created a video for my YouTube channel and explained about 10 passive income ideas. So give me a few of the best titles for this video. Then ChatGPT will give you the best video titles. From here, you can choose the best title you like. How to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Again, type, create a prompt for a viral YouTube thumbnail for, then paste here the video title. Now copy it from here. Then go to ideogram.ai. Paste here the prompt. From here select the size. I will keep 16:9. Then click generate. This AI generated a few thumbnail for my video. Open the thumbnail. From here download the best thumbnail you like. How to generate a hashtag. Again type, give me 15 hashtag for 10 passive income ideas. Again I got the 15 tags for my video. Again if you type, remove hash and add space before the upper letter. Then you will get this result. All these things will be needed when you upload your video.